Hey guys, so I just received some Happy Mail from Jane's Agenda and I am super excited about this one because this is actually my very first purchase from their shop. And if you've been watching my channel, you know that I have unboxed some of their items, but that's actually from their sub box. I have never really purchased anything from their shop, and I know that might seem crazy because who orders a sub box before actually trying out their items? I know that's weird. Has anyone ever done that before? But I did it and I am so glad that I did because all of their boxes have been amazing. I do recommend signing up for their box. All of their items so far have been so great. So I'm actually kind of glad that I did it the way that I did, even though it is a little bit crazy, but because of those sub boxes and how amazing they are, I just ended up ordering from their actual shop. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So we do have a thank you letter right here. Of course, I'm already loving the pink and the flowers, and this just says to join their subscription, and here's a little card, and this one just says game changer. I love how simple this is, and it's just blank on the back. So let's actually take this out of here. It's not a very big box, so that's always good. And this just says thank you, share us on social media at Jane's Agenda. So I'm actually, instead of ripping that off because it's so cute, I'm just gonna slide these out. Okay, so there's that, and let's see. So if you actually watched my latest video, which is the unboxing of the Notiq covers for 2021, you would have seen that I did end up purchasing a ring agenda, and I am super excited about it. And so when I was on her shop, I saw that they had this little pocket here for that ring planner, so I was excited to grab this one. I don't know, maybe some sticker sheets, some washi, or anything little like that. I thought it would be great for that one. So if you didn't watch that video, I'll go ahead and link it up here for you guys or down in the description box below. So it's nice and it's simple, and I love that. And I actually ended up ordering some inserts from their shop, and I am super excited about it. I know one of their sub boxes came with inserts, and I was super excited. I just haven't gotten a chance to actually use them, but they're such great quality, and I knew that I did want to try out their inserts. So this one is for the Mini Happy Planner, and it runs from January through December of 2020. And so we have a This Belongs To. So actually, let me move that one. And let's see what else. So we have these little calendars and just some lines to maybe pre-plan for the year, some holidays, and then this little like dashboard, I think I would call this. And then we go straight into the month. Very nice and simple, and I just love how simple their inserts are. So that's seriously what drew me into their planners. And then we flip it, and it's just a notes page here, and it goes to the next month because these inserts are actually monthly inserts. And so I was thinking about using these ones in my Mini Happy Planner, and I don't know, I'm still toying with the idea, but once I have it all figured out, I'll let you guys know what I'm thinking about doing with these. So this is all just the monthly views. I love that there's no color, no design, no nothing. So that's so perfect. So this is for the whole year of 2021. So here's December, and then that notes page on the back. So I am already super excited about this one. But what I'm most excited about is their other inserts that I ordered, and they're actually from December, not December, but January through December of 2021 as well. And this one is actually for the half letter. And I've been seeing this layout on Instagram, and I really fell in love with it. I think it is so pretty. And I'll let you know what convinced me about trying this layout. And so let's see how this one looks. So again, we have this agenda belongs to this calendar overview, the holidays, and then that dashboard. And we have the monthly view again, so simple and neutral, just the way I like it. So that's seriously what sold me on this one. So we have dot grid over here, and then we do have aligned paper on this side. So once we flip it, we have this layout, and I fell in love with this layout. I think it's so simple, so pretty. And so we have the top 3 priorities right over here. And then we have this long checklist. And then we have Monday through Wednesday on the left-hand page and Thursday through Sunday on the right-hand page. And then dot grid right over here with the calendar. And then we do have a space for Monday through Sunday. And so this layout can be super functional if you want it to be. You can add all the stickers, but I just love how neutral the pages are. So, and I love that they're dated as well. Oh, look at this one. This one has actually a checklist all throughout this one. And so then we get to February, and we have the dot grid and lined page here before we get to the first week of the month. So I just love how neutral this is. And of course it is for the whole year. And let's just flip back here. We have the last month, December, and then the whole page of checklist. So I did want to show you what drew me into this specific layout, because as you know, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I've been using the Happy Planner dashboard layout for the past 2 years, and I love this setup. I really do. I just wish this to buy section was longer, and I know that they flipped it onto this side for the homebody collection, but their check boxes were colored, and so I didn't like that, and that kind of drew me away from that layout. And so I just really wanted this big to buy section for it to be longer. And so I love that this one has that really long checklist on the left hand side like I wanted it. And at the same time, when I started using this layout 2 years ago, before I even started using this layout, I was using the horizontal layout for the Happy Planner. And as you know, it does have it on 2 pages, just like this one, and not on 1 page like the dashboard has it. So we have Monday through Thursday, I believe, on a horizontal layout on this side, and then we have Friday through Sunday with a notes section on the bottom on the right hand side. So I was always used to doing a midweek spread and showing it on Instagram. So I would take a picture of the left hand side, and that would be my midweek spread. And then once I moved on to this dashboard layout, I no longer had that same option. So it was kind of weird. Like, do I take a picture of the left-hand side and call this the beginning of the week and then show this, and or maybe just show this little corner here for my midweek spread? Like, it was confusing. So I mostly just do a before the pen spread of the whole thing, and then I do a not before, but an after the pen spread of the whole spread again. So that's kind of what led me to this one, because with this new Jane's Agenda layout, I can again take my midweek spread of the left hand side and then do a whole view after the pen, and then have a whole view of a before the pen as well. So that was what drew me on to this layout, because I love the idea of having a midweek spread again. And as you know, I am currently using the cloth and paper inserts, And I ran into the same problem with that because we have Monday through Wednesday all along up here. And then we have Thursday through Sunday here. So I really couldn't take a picture of this and call this my midweek spread when it was showing Monday, Thursday, and Friday. And that would be kind of weird if I only did like this top half as my midweek spread. And so I just like taking pictures of my planner as the week goes on. And I was missing that midweek spread. So I wasn't able to do it in the dashboard layout, and I wasn't able to do it here. So when I saw this layout and it was midweek spread here, I was immediately drawn to this layout. I love the idea of doing that again. So I'm really excited about trying this layout. I cannot wait to start. So yes, I will be switching to this weekly layout as my catch-all, and I won't be using the cloth and paper inserts anymore once this year is over. So I will be using these ones for the half letter as my catch-all, and then I'll be using these ones in my mini happy planner, and I will be trying out the personal ring agenda as well. So I'm super excited about 2021. Again, I do have a link down in the description box below so you guys can save a little bit of money on your very first Jane's Agenda purchase. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.